Are you looking for a delicious and nutritious way to boost your health? Look no further than the grapefruit. This zesty citrus fruit is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can offer numerous benefits for your overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore the top reasons why you should consider adding grapefruit to your diet. 1. Nutrient-rich powerhouse. Grapefruit is a rich source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps boost your immune system. It aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods and plays a crucial role in collagen production, ensuring healthy skin and connective tissues. Vitamin C helps your body fight off infections and diseases by supporting the production of white blood cells, which are essential for a strong immune response. If you follow a plant-based diet, grapefruit can enhance your iron absorption. Iron is vital for oxygen transport throughout your body, preventing anemia and fatigue. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and elasticity to your skin, hair, and connective tissues. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen, helping to maintain youthful skin and prevent premature aging. Grapefruit is a good source of dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and contributes to a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These bacteria contribute to a healthy digestive system, reducing the risk of digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome and constipation. Fiber helps you feel full for longer by slowing down the digestion process. This can help reduce overeating and support weight loss or maintenance. Grapefruit contains antioxidants like lycopene and hesperidin. These compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Lycopene, a carotenoid pigment found in grapefruit, has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. It helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, protecting your heart from damage. Antioxidants like hesperidin can help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of cell damage and cancer development. 2. Potential benefits for weight management. Grapefruit is a low-calorie fruit, making it a satisfying and guilt-free snack. Its high water content and fiber content can help you feel full for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Grapefruit is a great option for those trying to manage their weight. Its low calorie density means you can enjoy a larger serving without consuming excessive calories. The fiber and water content in grapefruit can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing your cravings for unhealthy snacks and overeating. Some studies suggest that grapefruit may help boost your metabolism. While more research is needed, the compounds in grapefruit might interact with certain enzymes in your body, potentially increasing your calorie burn. Grapefruit may contain compounds that can help increase your metabolic rate, meaning your body burns more calories at rest. A boosted metabolism can contribute to weight loss or weight management by helping you burn more calories throughout the day. 3. Potential benefits for blood pressure. Grapefruit is a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Potassium works by counteracting the effects of sodium, which can raise blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. Potassium helps to maintain a healthy balance of sodium in your body. When sodium levels are too high, they can cause your blood vessels to narrow, increasing blood pressure. Potassium helps to relax blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. This can help lower blood pressure and reduce the strain on your heart. The antioxidants in grapefruit, such as hesperidin, may also help lower blood pressure by improving blood vessel function and reducing inflammation. Antioxidants can help protect the lining of your blood vessels, preventing damage from oxidative stress. This can help improve blood flow and reduce the risk of blood clots. Chronic inflammation is linked to high blood pressure. Antioxidants can help reduce inflammation in the body, contributing to healthier blood vessels and lower blood pressure. 4. Potential benefits for skin health. As mentioned earlier, grapefruit is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen provides structure and elasticity to your skin, helping to maintain a youthful appearance. Collagen is a protein that gives your skin its firmness and elasticity. As you age, your body's natural collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Vitamin C is also involved in wound healing. It helps to stimulate collagen production, which is essential for repairing damaged skin tissue. The antioxidants in grapefruit can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging, wrinkles, and sun damage. free radicals are harmful molecules that can damage your skin cells, leading to premature aging and wrinkles. Antioxidants can help neutralize free radicals, protecting your skin from damage. While grapefruit cannot replace sunscreen, the antioxidants in it can help protect your skin from sun damage, reducing the risk of sunburn and premature aging. 5. Potential benefits for diabetes management. Some studies suggest that grapefruit may help improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body's cells are better able to use insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is often characterized by insulin resistance, where the body's cells become less responsive to insulin. Improved insulin sensitivity can help cells use insulin more effectively, leading to better blood sugar control. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, grapefruit may help prevent or manage high blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications such as heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. Grapefruit has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't cause a sharp spike in blood sugar levels after consumption. This can help individuals with diabetes manage their blood sugar levels more effectively. A low glycemic index means that grapefruit is digested and absorbed slowly, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. This can help prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes, which can be harmful for people with diabetes. By helping to stabilize blood sugar levels, grapefruit may reduce the need for diabetes medications or insulin injections in some cases. 6. Potential benefits for liver health. The antioxidants in grapefruit may help support liver function by protecting it from damage caused by free radicals. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body. Free radicals can damage liver cells, leading to inflammation and liver disease. Antioxidants in grapefruit can help neutralize free radicals, protecting the liver from damage. A healthy liver is essential for many bodily functions, including filtering blood, metabolizing nutrients, and producing bile. Antioxidants can help support optimal liver function. Reducing liver fat can help improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver complications, such as cirrhosis and liver failure. 7. Potential benefits for bone health. As mentioned earlier, grapefruit is a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and strength to bones. Collagen forms the matrix of bones, giving them their structure and elasticity. Adequate collagen production is essential for strong and healthy bones. Vitamin C can help improve bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Vitamin C can also help improve the absorption of calcium, a mineral crucial for bone health. Adequate calcium intake is essential for preventing osteoporosis and fractures. Vitamin C enhances the body's ability to absorb and utilize calcium from food. This is important for maintaining strong bones throughout life. A combination of adequate calcium intake and vitamin C can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and brittle bones. 8. Potential benefits for brain health. The antioxidants in grapefruit can help protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Antioxidants can help neutralize free radicals, preventing them from damaging brain cells and contributing to cognitive decline. By protecting brain cells, antioxidants can help maintain brain function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Some studies suggest that grapefruit may help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. This may be due to the positive effects of antioxidants on brain function. Antioxidants can help regulate the levels of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a role in mood regulation. By supporting brain health and regulating mood, grapefruit may help individuals manage stress, anxiety, and depression. 9. Potential benefits for oral health. Certain compounds in grapefruit, such as naringenin, have been shown to have antibacterial properties. These properties may help fight bacteria that contribute to gum disease and bad breath. Gum disease, also known as periodontitis, is a common dental condition caused by bacteria. Antibacterial compounds in grapefruit can help reduce the growth of these bacteria, preventing gum inflammation and tooth loss. Grapefruit can help freshen breath by reducing the number of bacteria that cause bad odor. As mentioned earlier, grapefruit is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is also important for healthy gums and connective tissues in the mouth. Collagen provides structure and support to the gums, helping to maintain their health and prevent gum disease. Vitamin C can help promote the healing of damaged gum tissue, reducing the risk of gum inflammation and bleeding. 10. Potential benefits for respiratory health. The antioxidants in grapefruit may help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, which can be beneficial for individuals with respiratory conditions like asthma or bronchitis. Inflammation can contribute to asthma symptoms like wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. Antioxidants in grapefruit may help reduce inflammation, providing relief for asthma sufferers. Grapefruit can help reduce inflammation in the bronchial tubes, which can be beneficial for individuals with bronchitis, a condition characterized by inflammation of the airways. Grapefruit may help thin mucus in the respiratory tract, making it easier to cough up and clear. This can provide relief for symptoms like congestion and coughing. Thinner mucus can help clear the airways, making breathing easier and reducing the risk of respiratory infections. Grapefruit can be helpful for individuals with congestion, as it can help thin mucus and promote drainage. 11. Potential benefits for heart health. Some studies suggest that grapefruit may help lower cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol. High cholesterol levels are a risk factor for heart disease. LDL cholesterol is often referred to as bad cholesterol because it can build up in the arteries and lead to atherosclerosis, a condition where plaque builds up in the artery walls. By lowering LDL cholesterol levels, grapefruit may help reduce the risk of heart attack, stroke, and other cardiovascular diseases. As mentioned earlier, grapefruit can help regulate blood pressure, which is another important factor in heart health. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a major risk factor for heart disease. By helping to lower blood pressure, grapefruit can reduce the strain on your heart and blood vessels. Lowering blood pressure can help improve overall heart health and reduce the risk of heart-related complications. 12. Potential benefits for skin health. The antioxidants in grapefruit can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging, wrinkles, and sun damage. Free radicals are harmful molecules that can damage skin cells, leading to premature aging and wrinkles. Antioxidants can help neutralize free radicals, protecting your skin from damage. By protecting your skin from free radical damage, grapefruit can help maintain a youthful appearance and reduce the signs of aging. As mentioned earlier, grapefruit is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen provides structure and elasticity to your skin, helping to maintain a youthful appearance. Collagen is a protein that gives your skin its firmness and elasticity. As you age, your body's natural collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Collagen also plays a role in skin hydration, helping to keep your skin looking plump and youthful. By promoting collagen production, grapefruit can help improve skin hydration and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 13. Potential benefits for eye health. The antioxidants in grapefruit, such as lycopene, can help protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. This can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. AMD is a condition that affects the macula, a small area in the center of the retina. Antioxidants can help protect the macula from damage, reducing the risk of AMD and vision loss. By protecting your eyes from free radical damage, grapefruit can help maintain overall eye health and prevent other eye problems. Vitamin C is also important for the health of the cornea, the clear outer layer of your eye. Adequate vitamin C intake can help prevent eye dryness and irritation. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, which provides structure and support to the cornea. A healthy cornea is essential for clear vision. Vitamin C can help prevent eye dryness and irritation, which can be uncomfortable and affect vision. 14. Potential benefits for metabolic health. As mentioned earlier, grapefruit may help improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. This can also help prevent metabolic disorders like obesity and type 2 diabetes. Improved insulin sensitivity can help prevent metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that includes obesity, high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and abnormal cholesterol levels. By improving insulin sensitivity, grapefruit may help reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. By improving insulin sensitivity and helping to regulate blood sugar levels, grapefruit may also aid in weight management. Improved insulin sensitivity can help regulate fat metabolism, promoting weight loss or weight management. By improving metabolic health, grapefruit can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. 15. Potential benefits for mood and mental health. Some studies suggest that grapefruit may help increase serotonin levels, a neurotransmitter that plays a role in mood regulation. Low serotonin levels have been linked to depression and anxiety. Serotonin is often referred to as the happiness hormone because it plays a crucial role in regulating mood and emotions. By increasing serotonin levels, grapefruit may help improve mood and reduce feelings of depression and anxiety. A balanced serotonin level is important for overall mental health and well-being. Grapefruit may help support mental health by promoting a positive mood and reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. The antioxidants in grapefruit may help reduce stress and improve overall mood by promoting relaxation and reducing cortisol levels. Cortisol is a hormone that is released in response to stress. High levels of cortisol can contribute to feelings of stress, anxiety, and fatigue. Antioxidants in grapefruit may help reduce cortisol levels, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Reducing stress can improve mental clarity, focus, and concentration. Grapefruit may help enhance cognitive function and improve overall mental well-being. So, there you have it. Grapefruit is a versatile and nutritious fruit that can offer a variety of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to improving your skin health, this zesty citrus fruit is a great addition to your diet. So why not give it a try and experience the many benefits for yourself? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. And be sure to check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips.